Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel, your go-to source for learning Adobe Illustrator. In today's video, I have 10 essential shortcuts that will supercharge your design game. Let's get started. First up, we have the V key. With a single press, you access the selection tool, allowing you to move, resize, and manipulate design elements with ease. Say goodbye to time-consuming clicks. Next is Ctrl 2 on Windows or Command 2 on Mac. It locks your selection, preventing accidental edits in complex designs. A real time saver. On to shortcut number 3, Ctrl D on Windows or Command D on Mac. Duplicate objects effortlessly with this shortcut key. No more copy-paste headaches. Shortcut number 4, Ctrl Shift greater than on Windows or Command Shift greater than on Mac. Lets you increase font size quickly, giving you a magnifying glass for your text. For sizing artwork for different platforms, use shortcut number 5, Ctrl Alt Shift S on Windows or Command Option Shift S on Mac to access Save for Web instantly. Shortcut number 6, Ctrl K on Windows or Command K on Mac. Opens Preferences. Customize Illustrator to work your way and boost your productivity. Shortcut number 7, Ctrl Y on Windows or Command Y on Mac. Toggles between preview and outline mode, helping you spot imperfections easily. With shortcut number 8, Ctrl G on Windows or Command G on Mac, which groups objects together for better organization. Design details matter. Number 9, Ctrl++ on Windows or Command++ on Mac, and Ctrl- on Windows or Command- on Mac. Zoom in and zoom out efficiently. Last but not least, at number 10, we have Ctrl-0 on Windows or Command-0 on Mac. It fits your artwork to the window, ensuring nothing gets cut off. And if you have some favorite shortcuts we missed, drop down in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow designers. Don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and we will catch you in the next video. Until then, keep designing.